Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am wearing this beautiful deep wave wig. This wig is from Celie hair. I have it in the 5x5 closure. It is 180% density. And you guys, I have it in 20 inches. Now, you guys know how I do. This wig was installed 100% glueless. All right, so if you guys want to see exactly how I was able to achieve this beautiful luxurious glueless install with this super transparent lace, then make sure you continue to watch. As usual, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. Celie hair sends you so many things along with the wig, that way you're able to have a flawless install. Okay you guys, so here is the wig. Once again, this is Celie's hair deep wave glueless wig, a 5x5 closure, 180% density, and I have it in 20 inches. Now this lace is a Swiss HD lace. It's soft and durable. This wig comes with the elastic band, the combs, and the adjustable straps in the back. That way you're able to have a quick install, an easy removal. It is beginner friendly and there's zero skills that is needed, and it also comes with a pre-plucked clean and neat hairline. So now it's time for the fun part. I'm just going to fit the wig to my head. Now I want you guys to pay attention to that lace. That lace is supposed to be ultra thin and invisible, and I'm installing this wig with no glue and no gel whatsoever, so 100% glueless. So I am taking my handy dandy wax stick, and I am going to use this wax stick and my hot comb to slick this baby back because I want this wig to look super natural. By the way, you guys, they definitely did their thing with this lace. When I cut off the additional lace in just a few, you guys will see how invisible this lace is, okay? Super natural. Alright, so here we go. I am just cutting off the additional lace, all the lace that I do not need anymore, and you're going to want to make sure that you get as close to the hairline as possible because once again, you want this to look like it's growing out of your scalp. Okay you guys, the install portion of this tutorial is done. I told you guys this is a zero skills beginner friendly type of wig, so it's literally a 1 2 3 easy and quick install. Okay, so right now I'm just going to style the hair. I decided to do a side part because this hair is so luxurious, so full, the curl pattern is beautiful, and I really wanted to show it off. So first I'm going in with my hot comb and my wax stick because you guys know how I do. I want the top of my wig to lay super flat. I did not run the hot comb through the curls though, only the top. I just want the top to be super flat. Then I'm going to use some water and some mousse from SheaMoisture to get that curl pattern super defined, and you guys will see just how luxurious these curls are once we get to that part. But I'm gonna let you guys watch and I'll come back towards the end. Okay, you guys, that is it for the tutorial. Do you guys see how beautiful this curl pattern is? I'm in absolute love with it. Again, 100% glueless. This is the perfect beginner friendly wig. So I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. And I want to thank Celie Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.